OfferUp App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how buying and selling used items has evolved in 2025. OfferUp provides a marketplace for local and national transactions with secure payments, but is it really the best option? The surprising truth is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming online marketplaces are only for big-ticket items. OfferUp makes it easy to sell furniture, electronics, clothing, and more, all from your phone. Listing items is quick, and buyers can negotiate directly within the app. Another advantage is safety. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like Trio verification, secure messaging, and integrated payments. These tools reduce scams and create a more trustworthy buying and selling environment. OfferUp also supports shipping nationwide, expanding potential buyers beyond your local area. The app provides ratings, seller reviews, and dispute resolution to protect both buyers and sellers. However, there are cons. Competition can be high, especially for popular items. Some features like promoted listings require additional fees. Local meetups still carry minor safety risks, so caution is necessary. In conclusion, OfferUp in 2025 is ideal for anyone looking to buy or sell items easily and securely. While competition and fees exist, the combination of convenience, safety features, and nationwide reach makes it a strong choice for casual sellers and buyers alike.